What if you could trade a paperclip to a house? Well, here goes. It's currently 6:32. It's snowing.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is a new bird. To sing a love song while we stroll along, walking in a winter wonderland.
It needs more salt. Paperclip in hand. Jesse! Yeah. What do you have to trade for a paperclip?
I have a juice box.
Alright, trade.
Why?
It's for the vlog.
Oh, okay.
Alright, first trade completed. Juice box.
Can I have it back?
No!
Why?
You want to trade back?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
First, do you have anything to trade for a paperclip?
This little candle, but I need it for English class.
Oh wait, you have something?
Yes, baby. Hello, sweet baby. Wait, I could give you one Fuller's free car wash.
The hand sanitizer and the car wash for a paperclip. Bruh.
Are you kidding? Alright, bet.
Alright, so the trade is a paperclip for one car wash and hand sanitizer.
There you go, Chris.
Thank you. Do you have anything to trade for hand sanitizer or a Fuller's full service car wash? Got anything to trade for hand sanitizer or a Fuller's free car wash?
Hold on. Stop.
How much?
There's about $10 on it.
Hey, is there any assurance that there's something on that card?
Usually yes.
Can I check it online?
Yeah.
Gotta do a capture real quick. Okay, I got it. Alright, check balance. And what are we looking at? Oh my goodness. That is a W. Only a couple bucks. Here.
Okay. How much was on it?
Classified.
Oh, I'm just asking. I'm not gonna ask for it back.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
25.45.
Oh my god.
Give it next. A trade for a $25 GameStop gift card.
No, I'm sorry.
Alright. Welcome to Geneva High School vlog. Yeah. And I started with a paperclip and I'm trading up. And right now I'm at this $25 GameStop gift card. Do you have anything to trade?
No. What
No.
did you trade to get that?
I went from a paperclip to hand sanitizer to a car wash.
Trade?
Trade. I'm doing this thing where I trade out from stuff.
Okay, well, where do you like to shop, Chris? Where do you like to shop, Chris? We'll go to Tilly's, because I have a $25 Tilly's gift card. Now, I'm trusting you this actually has credit on it.
Yes. This has credit on it too, Joe?
As far as I know, yeah.
As far as you know?
It definitely does, don't worry.
How much?
$25.
$25? Okay, that's the next trade.
There we go.
Wrong.
Rule number 1, you always check the gift card balance there. Rule number 2, never trust anyone. So today, I'm vlogging again. Do you have anything to trade for this $25 Tilly's gift card?
There's some money on it.
Yeah, there is. No. Here, I'll be right back.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got it.
Anything to trade for this $25?
Calculator.
What type of calculator?
T Ti 84 Plus.
All right, deal. All right, bet.
Wait, I'm not actually doing
So I stream on Twitch. It's Finesse. Links in the description, right?
Yeah. I had this $25 Chili's gift card. Here, wrap it.
Skull.
I'm okay. Mr. Hernandez. Alexa, what do you have to trade? That's an amazing shirt you got there, Joe. Thanks. You must be very cool in school.
Hi, Savages. This is A push class, AP US History, so like fun times. We got some vlog gear on. Did you purposely wear that?
No.
You didn't? You didn't?
Great shirt.
Did you know that he was going to be vlogging today?
Okay, yeah. All right, ready.
We're in the vlog.
All right.
We're in the vlog. Repping the merch
All
in
right,
the
all
vlog.
right. Okay, I've been asking people to trade me things, so I started with a paperclip this morning, and right now I'm at a $20 Tilly's gift card.
Do you actually get $20?
Yes, I checked the balance.
He traded a $25
Yeah, I'll give you one of these pencils for. You know these are worth like $10.
What?
I'll give you $7 in cash.
I decline. Pretty successful day. Pretty successful day. You want it? I can't be showing the numbers.